Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you today? Okay, I hope we are all happy and always excited about our activities. On this occasion, I will share and explain material about circle. Before getting into the material, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Komang Trisna Jayanti. You can call me Trisna. The student ID number is 2113011-021 from class 4D Mathematics Education. There are 5 topics for discussion that I will present today. The first topic is the definition of a circle. The second topic is the parts of a circle. The third topic is the properties of a circle. Then the fourth topic is the area and circumference of a circle. And the last topic is the example and problem solving. What is a circle? Everyone, let's look at this slide. There are some pictures here. What do you think of these pictures? Yeah, that's right. These 6 pictures include plate, wheel, bracelets, mirror, hula hoops, and donuts are some of the objects that we often find in our daily lives. And all of these objects have a shape that is a circle. Of course, there are many more circular objects in our life. Well, from the previous picture, what do you know about the definition of a circle? Okay, a circle is a closed curve whose center is at the same distance from each of its edge. So, what is the easy definition of a circle? Yes, a circle is a fully spherical shape with no edge or corner points. This flat shape is 2-dimensional, so this flat figure only has area and circumference. The circle is said to have no corner point because it consists of 4 right angles. So, logically, the full circle angle is 4 times 90 degrees, equals 360 degrees. A circle has 2 main regions, namely the interior of a circle and the exterior of a circle. The interior of a circle consists of the region inside the circle, and the exterior of a circle is the region outside the circle. Now, you understand the definition of a circle. Next, I will explain the parts of a circle. The parts of a circle are center, radius, diameter, chord, arc, aphthegm, sector, segment, center angle, inscribed angle, secant, and last, tangent. Center. The fixed point in the plane is called the center of the circle. The center of a circle is the point equidistant from the points on the edge. Radius. The fixed distance from the center to the boundary of the circle is called the radius. Generally, the radius of a circle is denoted by r. Diameter. A line that crosses from the center of the circle starting from one point to the other point of the circumference is called a diameter. The diameter is measured from one end of the circle to a point on the other end of the circle, passing through the center. The diameter is denoted by the letter D. There can be an infinite number of diameters where the length of each diameter of the circle is length. Next part of a circle is chord. The chord of a circle is a line segment that joins two different points on the circumference of the circle. In a circle, when the chord is extended infinitely on both sides becomes a secant. Arc. A part of segment of the circumference of a circle is called the arc. There are two types of arc. We can look at this picture. Segment AB is called minor arc. Minor arc is an arc that is less than half the circumference, while segment ACB is called major arc. Major arc is an arc that is greater than half the circumference. Apothem. The apothem is the perpendicular distance r from the midpoint of a chord to the circle center. Well, in the picture on the right, we can see the segment OP is called apothem. Sector. How about the sector? A sector is a part of a circle that is created by two radii. There are two types of sectors, major sector and minor sector. The sector of the circle that occupies the larger portion is called the major sector. The sector of the circle that occupies the smaller portion is called the minor sector. Segment. A segment of a circle is a part of the circle bounded by a chord and an arc. There are two types of segment, minor segment and major segment. A minor segment is made by a minor arc, and a major segment is made by a major arc of the circle. To calculate the segment of a circle, we consider the area of the segment, which consists of a sector or arc plus two radii and a triangle. Hence, the formula for the area of a segment can be expressed: area of a segment of circle equals area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Central angle. The central angle is the angle formed by the intersection of two radii of a circle at the center. For the picture, angle AOC is called central angle. Inscribed angle. The inscribed angle is the angle formed by the intersection of two chords at a point on the circumference of the circle. For the picture, angle ABC is called inscribed angle. Secant. The secant of a circle is the extension of the chord of a circle to the outside of the circle. The last part is tangent. A tangent is a line perpendicular to the radius that touches only one point on the circle. The two main aspects to remember in the tangent is the slope with the symbol is m and a point on the line. Each flat shape has different properties. So, here are the properties of a circle, including have a center point, has one side, has no corner points. The sum of the angles is 360 degrees, has infinite fold symmetry, has infinite rotational symmetry, has radius and diameter, has area and circumference. Now, I will explain about the area and circumference. What do you know about area? Correct. The area of a circle is the amount of space occupied by the circle. The circle formula for finding the area can be seen on the slide. So the formula is A equals pi r squared, where A is area of a circle, then pi with the value is 3.14 or 22/7, and r is the radius of a circle. While the circumference of the circle is defined the distance around the circle. The circle formula to find the circumference is C equals pi d, where C is the circumference of the circle, D is the diameter of the circle, and pi is the mathematical constant with an approximate up to decimal point value of 3.14. Or we can also use the formula is C equals 2 pi d. In other words, when we measure the boundary or the distance around the circle, that measure is called the circumference, and it is expressed in units of length like centimeters, meters, or kilometers. The circumference of a circle has three most important elements or parts, namely the center, the diameter, and the radius. Okay, now I will show you an example of a problem related to the circle and its solution. Let's start with the first problem. You can see the first problem. Evelina and Briley have a circular mirror in their house. The mirror has a diameter of 32 cm. Find the circumference and area of the mirror. So, how to solve it? In the problem, we know that the diameter of the mirror is 32 cm. So the radius is 16 cm. Now, to find the circumference of the mirror, we just need to input it into the formula for the circumference of a circle, which is C equals pi d. C equals 3.14 times 32 equals 100.48. So, the circumference of Evelina and Briley's mirror is 100.48 cm. Next, to find the area of the mirror, we just need to input the data we know into the circle area formula. The formula for the area of a circle is A equals pi r squared. We substitute the value of r is 16 cm into the formula, so that A equals 3.14 times 16 square is equals to 800.84 centimeters square. Now, you understand how to find the area and circumference of a circle, right? If you are still confused, you can screenshot this slide and learn it by trying similar problems later. From this slide, there is a second problem. The second problem is the difference between the circumference and the diameter of a circular bracelet is 4 cm. Find the radius of the bracelet. Take pi equals 22/7. So everyone, how about the solution this question? Okay, let the radius of the bracelet be r. According to the question, circumference minus diameter equals 3 cm. Circumference of a circle equals 2 pi r. Diameter of a circle equals 2r. Therefore, 2 pi r minus 2r equals 3 cm. So, 2r times pi minus 1 equals 3 cm. We can substitute for the value of pi. 2r times 22/7 minus 1 equals 3 cm. 2r times 15/7 equals 3 cm. R equals 3 times 7/15 times 2 will be r equals 0.7 cm. So we get the radius of bracelet is 0.7 cm. Okay everyone, that was the topic of discussion about circles that I can share with all of you. The circle material is not only found in mathematics lessons, but will always be related to our daily life. In closing, I will read one of Ralph Waldo Emerson's quotes. Circles, like the soul, are never ending and turn round and round without a stop. So that's all my presentation. I hope it will be useful for all of you, and I apologize if there are mistakes that are not pleasing to you. Have a nice day, see you next time, and thank you.